Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of vertical mice, specifically looking at how they can potentially help with wrist pain and long work hours. If you spend a lot of time at a computer, you know the drill, the dreaded wrist ache, the stiffness, and the general discomfort. Traditional mice, while familiar, often force your hand into an unnatural position, which over time can lead to issues like carpal tunnel syndrome, or simply, a lot of pain. Vertical mice aim to solve this by changing the game, quite literally. Instead of laying your hand flat, you grip the mouse, as if you're shaking someone's hand. This upright posture is designed to keep your wrist in a more neutral position, reducing strain and discomfort. So, how does a vertical mouse work? The basic concept is simple. By rotating your hand and wrist, it allows for a more natural and ergonomic position. Beyond the immediate relief from wrist pain, vertical mice can also help with long work hours. If you're someone who works at a desk for extended periods, you're likely familiar with the fatigue that comes with it. This fatigue isn't just mental, it's physical, too. Using a vertical mouse can help reduce the physical strain on your hand and wrist, which in turn can lead to less overall fatigue. This means you might be able to work longer and more comfortably. Now, let's talk about some things to consider when choosing a vertical mouse. First and foremost, you'll want to think about the size and shape. Vertical mice come in various sizes, so it's essential to choose one that fits comfortably in your hand. Too small, and you might still experience discomfort. Too large, and it could be awkward to use. Also, consider the features. Some vertical mice come with additional buttons for forward and backward navigation, while others offer adjustable DPI settings for different levels of sensitivity. Think about what features are important to you, and choose a mouse that meets your needs. Another thing to keep in mind is the learning curve. It might take some time to get used to the different feel of a vertical mouse. Be patient, and give yourself a few days or even a week to adjust. Once you've gotten used to it, you'll likely find it to be a much more comfortable and natural way to use a mouse. Lastly, remember that a vertical mouse is just one part of the equation. To truly optimize your workspace for comfort and ergonomics, you'll want to pair it with other things, such as a good chair, an adjustable desk, and regular breaks. Consider stretching your wrists and hands periodically throughout the day. Listen to your body and make adjustments as needed. So, in summary, vertical mice can be a great option if you're struggling with wrist pain or spend long hours working at a computer. They're designed to promote a more natural and ergonomic hand position, which can reduce strain, alleviate pain, and potentially boost your comfort and productivity. If you're experiencing any of these issues, give a vertical mouse a try. Your wrists will thank you. Thanks for watching. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of ergonomic mice, specifically the vertical mouse. If you're someone who spends long hours at a computer, and maybe you've started to feel some wrist pain, this video is for you. We'll explore what a vertical mouse is, its benefits, and whether it could be the solution you've been searching for. So, what exactly is a vertical mouse? Unlike a traditional mouse, where your hand lies flat, a vertical mouse positions your hand in a handshake position. This design is intended to reduce the twisting of your forearm, which can be a major contributor to wrist pain and conditions like carpal tunnel syndrome. By keeping your wrist in a more natural position, a vertical mouse can help alleviate pressure and strain. Now, let's talk about the benefits. First and foremost, the primary advantage is reduced wrist strain. This is achieved through the ergonomic design that minimizes pronation, the twisting of your forearm. Over time, this can lead to less pain and discomfort. Secondly, improved comfort is a significant plus. Many users find the handshake grip more comfortable, especially during extended use. This can translate to increased productivity and a more enjoyable work experience. Thirdly, vertical mice can help prevent or manage conditions like carpal tunnel. While not a cure, the design can help alleviate pressure on the median nerve. which is often compressed in carpal tunnel syndrome. Finally, many vertical mice also offer adjustable DPI settings. This allows you to customize the cursor speed to your preference, which can enhance your overall control and precision. Of course, there are a few potential downsides to consider. The first is the learning curve. It might take some time to get used to the new grip and mouse movements. Your hand and wrist muscles will need to adapt to the new position. Another potential drawback is the price. Ergonomic mice, including vertical mice, can sometimes be more expensive than traditional mice. However, consider it an investment in your health and well-being. Also, vertical mice might not be ideal for all tasks. If you frequently need to make very precise movements, such as in graphic design or gaming, you might find a traditional mouse to be better suited. Here are a few tips for choosing a vertical mouse. Look for one that fits your hand size. Some mice come in different sizes, so make sure you choose one that's comfortable. Consider the features. Do you need adjustable DPI settings or extra buttons? Think about the connectivity. Do you prefer a wired or wireless mouse? Research different brands and read reviews. See what other users are saying about their experiences with different models. Before you fully commit, try one if possible. Many stores have display models that you can test out. In conclusion, a vertical mouse can be a great investment for anyone who spends a lot of time at a computer, especially if you experience wrist pain or discomfort. While there might be a learning curve and potential drawbacks, the benefits of reduced strain and improved comfort can be significant. If you're looking for a way to improve your ergonomics and prevent or manage wrist problems, a vertical mouse is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. If you found it useful, please like and subscribe for more content on tech and ergonomics.